Rajita, welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. So in the last videos I already told you how to search your keywords or the headings you want to write, and how you can write the data of your blog, and how you can download the SEO plugin. In this video I'm going to tell you how to write a blog and do SEO by yourself. Okay, if you can create a website, you can also do the SEO on it by using this simple plugin. What you have to do, log into your dashboard and download the use plugin. If you don't know how to download this, watch my previous videos so you will know. So let's start. First we have to do like what, this is my website and I wanna create a blog in this website. So what I do, I click on new and here I see a post. So I wanna create a post, so I click on that. As you click on that, it will like the creating a post for you. That is also called the blog. Okay, as you can, firstly, if you watch my last videos, as we come on the as you come on that blog, what you will see that as you come on add new pages or edit site or edit pages, what will you see, we have done any kind of these things in our website edit page. These are the SEO. Okay, what you have to do with that, how you can do that, I'm gonna tell you A to Z thing, step by step. So must watch the full videos, otherwise you will miss some points, and I don't want to like spoil your blog. First we have to add a title. Title means we have to search our keyword what we want to add. For example, in this video I'm gonna write a blog about the e-commerce website, that how to create e-commerce website like that. Okay, so what we do, so this is my website where I already create a blog about what is an e-commerce website and how to build it. So I'm gonna use this one, and first I'm gonna search about this keyword. Like I copy this, what is e-commerce website, and I'm so this is my keyword. Okay, I want to rank on this keyword. You can also rank on a heading. Okay, so for this I'm gonna rank on this keyword. So first I copy that and paste on this. This is I already told you, this is a free website that provide you a lot of things about SEO. So what you have to do, just search about your keyword about your, so you can see 4K volume of this, like telling you what is an e-commerce website. So you can see this is a good keyword or also a good heading. We can pick both e-commerce website as a keyword ranking and what is an e-commerce website as a heading. Okay, so let's start. This is my heading, so I just copy that and I paste here. Okay, so this one is the yours plugin. Okay, okay, so this tell about the uh, keywords, key phrase and more things. So simply I write we write like what our keyword, what our heading. So this is our heading and our keyword phrase, we're gonna write our focus key phrase on the last, because we have to write first our, okay, so first our vlog. Okay, I already told you that search about your vlogs more and more on Google's, visit one or more or two or three or more websites to gather the data and write it simple. As you can see, you can also visit my website to check out how I write this. So you can see e-commerce website is the short form of word electronics commerce, which describe the purchase and sale of goods and service electronically. So what I write here, this is too simple. Okay, so I just add a picture over here. If you want to do how to add a how I add this one. So you can go and pixel.com and search here about your website. For example, you wanna write about some app development or like that, you can get that a picture from here. This is a free copyright platform, and you can also go on Canva and create your own pictures over here. If you don't know how to create it, just let me know in comment. I will help you. I will create a separate video for that. So what our focus is today, how to create a blog. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I upload and I write some data about it and write some uh, more detail about it. So this is an intro. Okay, what we have to do, like we have to add an intro, and as I do that, as you can see, the plugin, just plugin is green now. So we can see here what we did good. We add images, that is a good job. SEO title bit is good. Okay, readability analysis is good, like passive voice concept, subheadings. Okay, what we have to do, if we write about like this one is our first heading, and so it should be in H1 as you click on. Okay, so this is our first paragraph, like. Okay, the next one is we have to add why we create the more questions about this, because we have to create a full blog about this. So what I do, like why should we create an e-commerce website and how. So like write about this. I also told you visit my website, so you will know how to write this and how to you will create a website and create a blog, and what can you write and which things you have to write in your blog. So that's why I told you visit one or more websites by searching on Google, so you will better know how to do this. Okay, so this one is our heading, that is H1. Okay, and this one should be H2. Okay, as you can see, because this one is our heading, that is first heading, it should be H1. That is obviously shown on our Google, on our website. So the other one is H2. If they have subheading, it should be in H3. Okay, this is an most important thing. That and the next one, that how many types of the e-commerce. So uh, okay, add at least 3 images in your blog so it looks good. Okay, so and don't forget to click on update, so it will update. Okay. Okay, so as we write the how many types of the e-commerce, this one is a H2. Okay, and they are the subheading, that's why they are should be H3. Okay, they are also H3, so make sure you have to be careful about this. The first one heading is H2 and the other question is H2. If you have the subheadings of H2 is should be H3, it's gonna be a good effect on your um, blog. And make sure you have to add one or more pictures in your blog. So this is our first step, that we have to enter data for. And the next one is, as you click on the pic, go in setting and you will see a alt text here. What you have to do here, add your alt text, that should be your key phrase. For example, there is key phrase, and your focus key phrase is e-commerce website. So right here, e-commerce website. Okay, and see, as you can see, the e-commerce website is uh, it's not good. What you have to do, change the just do it e-commerce, and let's see what's the reaction now. Okay, what the problem is that the we don't add the. Okay, the key phrase in SEO title does not contain the exact match. So our title don't have the same heading like that our in SEO title. Our that is our first paragraph. It should be exact same like this. What is an e-commerce or website? How to build it? Okay. So what we have to do, the improvement is key phrase in SEO title does not contain the exact match. Okay. Okay, so next to what we have to do, the problems we have to be clean or we have to be improved, all shown here. Okay, so you can check what should we improve and what the problem if you don't want to go with premium. Okay, so there is a second thing, another thing, that is how our website pages look on you on Google. So it looks like that. They already create the heading. I told you what is an e-commerce website and how to build it, and here our website name. If you want to write your website name, you can write. It's a mobile result and this one is desktop result, so you can change according to your choice. And we have to write about the meta description. We have to take the meta description that is we actually take. Okay, so for example, I write like the most convenient and most related thing. So I take this one and write in meta description. Okay, and it will show like the orange one. That means the meta description may be long and may be short. So we have, okay, so it's long. Okay, so we have to arrange like that. So as you can see, I do this. They are both green now. That's mean we are on good SEO. Okay, we did the good SEO of our blog site. Okay, so these are the tips. And if you want to make them, so you can see our SEO title analysis or focus key phrase is now green. Okay, they that are the Google preview. This is how our pages look on Google. So these are our Facebook preview. If you want to add anything, you can add. And here you can see we have good readability analysis, and this one also. And there is one more thing, output links or internal links. If you watch my blogs, you can see that I write a lot of and I give a lot of some internal links over here. The internal links may be some downloads things, or for example, um, okay, this is our another blog, how to create a WordPress website. So as you can see, I give the link of my YouTube video according that, and also give the download link, and I also give an other link of my YouTube video. So as you have the create the videos, you can link them. If you don't know how to link them, let me know in comment. I will create another video for that. So this is how it happened, how you can create a professional blog according to your choice. So I hope you, so let's have a preview about our blog. So just view your blog and you can see how it's look. You can see it's look good. Okay, if you don't know how I choose this template, it's a pre-professional template, so just watch my previous video so you will know.